This video demonstrates the updated recommendations for PPE donning and doffing when caring for a patient who is suspected or confirmed COVID-19. Begin by performing hand hygiene using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Completely cover all surfaces of your hands and rub vigorously until dry. Next, don your isolation gown. Open the gown fully. Put your head through the opening and arms into the sleeves. Place your thumbs through the thumb holes. Fully extend the back of the gown to cover your backside. And be sure to secure the gown at the waist with the ties. Next, don your procedure or surgical mask. Be sure that the mask fully covers your nose and mouth, that it's pulled tightly under your chin, and fit the bridge of the nose. Next, don your goggles. Last, don gloves. Make sure they're the appropriate size. Put them on so that the wrist extends up over the cuff of the gown. Do a final check to make sure that your PPE is on, fully secured, and without defects. When doffing PPE, first break the gown tie at the waist. Grab the gown at the shoulders and gently pull until it breaks at the back of the neck. Roll the gown down and away from your body, taking care to not contaminate your uniform with the outside of the gown. Dispose of the gown in the waist. Perform hand hygiene. Prior to removing your goggles, don a new pair of gloves. Remove the goggles and immediately clean and disinfect with a hospital-approved disinfectant wipe. Be sure to clean all surfaces of the goggles, inside and out, ensuring that they're wet for the amount of time specified on the manufacturer's instructions for use. Place the cleaned goggles onto a surface. Remove gloves. And perform hand hygiene. Last, remove your mask, dispose of in the waste receptacle, and perform hand hygiene one more time.